Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So for this video session, I will show to you some installation guideline to start R. Okay, as we know, maybe some of you does not have R in your laptop yet. Okay, so how do we start? Okay, first, you need to go to the R archive. Okay, you go to the R archive. Right. Okay, so here the comprehensive R archive network here. Okay, I want you to download the latest version of R. Okay, and please choose R depends on your operating system. Okay, so generally we use Windows, so I pick download R for Windows. If you use Mac, you have to download R for OS. Okay, so download R for Windows. Okay, and this is what you want to install R for the first time. If you are first time installing R, you can click and then just download. Alright. Okay, once you download R, okay, you install it in your physical computer, and then you will get this kind of icon. If you have shortcut in at your desktop, there will be this icon, or you can simply search here. Right, so this is the basic R. Okay, the R basic GUI. You need this first. Okay, but for our teaching platform, instead of this standard R GUI, we will use more interactive IDE for our languages, which is RStudio. Okay, so after you install this latest R version, I need you to go to the RStudio. Okay, RStudio download. Okay, alright, but make sure that you install this first. Okay, before you download RStudio, make sure that you install the standard GUI first. Right. Okay, so now here you will have a few choices, but of course without paying anything. Okay, you choose RStudio desktop for free, and then you just click download. Alright, okay, so the link will direct you to this page, and then choose the installer based on your OS system. Right, if you use Windows, okay, this is the installation. Okay, after you install both of these, okay, basically you can look at the basic RGUI. Okay, this is the interface. You will have the console here. Okay, and then if you want to open the script, file, open script. Okay, sorry, file, new script. Okay, file, new script. So this is the editor for our standard GUI. This is the console. The console means that any program that you want R to read, okay, you have to write it in R console. Okay, this is the editor. Okay, unfortunately, if you write at R console, you cannot undo, edit, or so on, because when you run, the R will process it. If you want an ability to edit, to undo, okay, so you write it in your script. So basically this is the interface for standard RGUI. Okay, why but for the for the purpose of my teaching material after this, instead of our standard GUI, okay, we will use RStudio. Okay, so RStudio, okay, basically okay, right, okay, so basically this is the interface of RStudio. Okay, so like I show you before, okay, this is the console. Okay, by default, so it should be under, if I'm not mistaken. So okay, by default it should be like this, but I prefer to view the pane on the right side. So this is the console, like standard RGUI. If you want to run any R language, okay, you should write it here. Okay, but here again, in the left side of my screen, okay, my left side screen, this is actually the editor part, the script. Okay, so if you want to just writing your code without running it, okay, I suggest that you start writing it in the editor, so that if you missing anything, if you wrongly writing your expression, okay, you can edit it anytime, and you can trace your programming based on the lines here. Okay, so it is best to start from the script and then you write. Okay, so that's actually basic installation for R. Okay, right, so that's some basic installation. Okay, so I hope that if you have any question, you can ask you can ask in this post regarding the installation. Okay, so thank you for listening. uh, have a great day. Thank you.